video shows you how to add a new user to the Compact HMI. The Compact HMI product is set up to run in Windows Workgroup. To add a new user to Windows, open the Computer Management Console and select Local Users and Groups. Select Users and add a new user as shown. In this scenario, we are adding an Application Engineer user. Fill in the required details such as username and passwords and select Create and close the window. The account will appear in the user list. Select the Groups folder and double-click on the Industrial IT Users group and add the Application Engineer user. Follow the same procedure and add the Application Engineer user in the Industrial IT Admin group. To add the new Windows user to the Compact HMI, log in as Software Service Account and select System Configuration Console to start the System Config console. Click Users, select Users, click Add a new user. In the user information, select the user to be added. Select the corresponding user group checkboxes, in this scenario, Application Engineers, and click Apply. Now the user has been set up as part of the Compact HMI users. Please note, all users and groups has to be created in all the Compact HMI nodes with the same spelling and passwords. More information about adding new users to the Compact HMI can be found in the Compact HMI Getting Started guide. We thank you for watching.